Welcome to Pip Insight, Wednesday, 15th of July, New York pre-open. This session, we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 4 showing bullish structure and 3 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, pound yen. Pairs showing bearish structure: gold dollar, dollar Swiss, dollar Canada. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold breakdown, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Gold is sitting at around $40-50 heading into the New York Open, and the structure here is clearly bearish on the medium-term time frame. Price is trading beneath both the 20 and 50 period EMAs, and earlier today we saw a sharp spike up to $4,080, get completely rejected and faded back down, leaving a nasty shooting star pattern on the 4-hour chart. That tells us the $4,073 to $4,081 zone is acting as a firm ceiling right now. To the downside, the first meaningful support sits between $4,023 and $4,030, with a deeper level at $3,992 if that area gives way. Now, on the fundamental side, this morning's PPI data is absolutely critical for gold. The headline PPI is forecast at 0% against a prior reading of 1.1, a significant drop that could weaken the dollar and give gold a temporary lift. But the Fed Chairman Warsh testimony at 10 o'clock is the wild card. Any hawkish tone around rates could strengthen the dollar and add further downward pressure on gold. RSI at 44 keeps momentum tilted bearish without being oversold, so there's room to move lower. Into the session, the levels to watch are that resistance cluster around $4,073 to $4,081 above, and the support zone at $4,023 to $4,030 below. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.34818 and 1.3495. Support is marked between 1.3415 and 1.3421. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8085 and 0.81146. Support is marked between 0.8058 and 0.8065. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.7002 and 0.7005. Support is marked between 0.6984 and 0.6988. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.5841 and 0.5848. Support is marked between 0.5819 and 0.5823. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Canada. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.407 and 1.4106. Support is marked between 1.4 and 1.4042. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound yen. The chart is showing clearly defined bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1 hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 218.8 and 219. Support is marked between 217.9 and 218.1. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at ForexXInsight for updates. See you next time.